Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Or Our Lady's Vlog. Bakit gano'n? Natapos pa siya. All about the throwback video of underrated love team partner no 90s. But, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kasi nakakatapos ako kumakain. Likes, shares, comments, at news. Naku po, 500 subscribers if supportin natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog, 328, episode 328, entitled Spencer and Ice Throwback Video. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Para natin ang highlights at bakit. Okay, dahil love team, throwback time muna tayo. Ang love team or underrated love team Nina Street Boys former member Spencer Reyes and Asia's acoustic icon Icy Guerra, formerly Aiza, and here are some 90s feels at 2000s, 2010s, and more. Eto na, simulan na natin. Una natin sa 90s. Para natin yung ating videos that ASAP episode no 1997 for the promoting ng pelikula Computer Comeback Singing. Nako, Blue Jeans by Squeezer. Kasi yung Squeezer's Blue Jeans may 2025 version na po. It's available na on streaming platforms. While the second is Jellyhead by Crush nung release in 1996. Asama po with Spencer Ice are Mera Soriano and Miggy Moreno. That the song is released in 1996, both 1996. The song is all about the blues and for the summer. And the promoting the movie Computer Combat ay April 9, 1997. Ayan, April 9 ang release yung ating pelikula ng Miguel Mac Productions, ang Computer Combat. While in the 2000s, panoorin natin muna. Ayan, ito. Sa 2000s, in Eid Bulaga's Lenten Special 2005 entitled Perfect, along with Pic Soto, Sherry Reyes-Tan, Pia Guanyo, Roche Panininan, Miss Diana Zubiri, and Lana Asani, that Spencer Reyes and Icy Guerra in the Lenten season special na Eid Bulaga. Gumanap siya si Spencer na tatrabaho sa factory while si Ice, tatrabaho siya bilang parang manager in isang worker na parang ginagawa siya ng para sa project. Parang nasa school. Parang school lang to. At parang natagupay or hindi, okay lang. At the end, kung kasitaan na ba, boyfriend, girlfriend, or sasama na sa trabaho after the end of the telemovie. Malalaman natin yan. Meron nung 2010s, ASAP, 2050 anniversary, kasi sayang, mamita sana. But in the 2020s, nung 2022, na-meet yung Spencer Ice sa isang video through GMA Public Affairs YouTube channel about the Christmas promotion special. And last year, Spencer Ice separated guest sa Eid Bulaga through Parapin. Yung kay Ice, April 30, si Spencer, April 70. Sayang naman, separate guest lang siya. But this year, celebrating 30 years of the underrated love team of Spencer and Ice. Ayan, Spencer Reyes and Icy Guerra, congratulations and good luck sa ating gawa ng paraan for this year, 2025. We love you, Spice! That's it for our latest vlog. See you next vlog. Bye, God bless!